Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel. Today it's time for a shave. But before I get doing any of that stuff, most of you know, today is the starting day of Frans Space Cream. And this set was sent to me. Thank you to Douglas and Fran. I'm excited this year to try out the 6 days until the National Ice Cream Holiday. And so here we go. To open up, we're going to start with door number 1. And I wonder what is going to be inside. I want to be a little bit careful opening this up because I don't want to tear the corners. Oh, well, I tore it. Perforations are a little tight. Uh-oh. Here we go. Whew. Strawberry shortcake. Should this be the thumbnail? I don't know. Let's see here. Ooh, these bottles are a little bit different than the ones in the past. And let's see here. The included wooden spoon. All right, let's take a little whiff here. Yeah, that's nice. Let me see what it says on the back if there's anything. All right, it definitely smells like strawberry. Maybe it does have some shortcake smell to it, but I can smell the strawberry right off the bat. I'm gonna have to pick out some things to shave with, and make some lather. And while I do that, I'm gonna roll the intro. All right, I've made my lather. Got it whipped up here in the Captain's Choice copper bowl using the Astreaus brush here. Made my lather. Very nice. I do like this scent. I let my wife smell it and she loved it. She enjoys strawberry shortcake. She actually said when she smelled it, she told a little story about her favorite little strawberry shortcake doll when she was little. I'm not gonna go through the whole thing because I can't tell it when she tells it. Anyway, the scent is very pleasurable, although when I was a child, I don't remember this one being on the ice cream truck. I was probably so excited to get the bomb pop or the ice cream sandwich. Those were the two that I really enjoyed, and so I probably didn't look at the list very well. I'm going to be using the PAA Prismatic. I have it loaded up with a Gillette 7 o'clock yellow, and let's get going with pass number 1 with the grain. Oh yeah. The one thing I like about these advent calendars, for the amount of money you spend, you get a wide variety of scents to try, and some of them would be ones that you would never try. I know PAA had another strawberry scent. It was the, what's the name of it? Was it Enigma? Or I can't remember the name. But that one did have some strawberry to it, but it had a lot more oud in it. This one is very far different from that one. I personally enjoy this one more than that other one. And I do have it. I just don't reach for it very often. I kind of like the logo on it because I think most of you know. Maybe you don't. One of my jobs in the military was Signal Corps. And so kind of that made a little, I think it was Enigma machine. I think that's what it was called. Anyway, the artwork on that one really stood out to me. I'm curious to see how the splash turns out, because I know the soap is a little bit more subtle. This razor, I feel like this is my #1 PAA razor, and I feel like it could be an everyday shaver for sure. And I know it's often overlooked. I don't know why. And I say it every time I do a video with it, and people comment. But when you get on like Facebook and some of the forums where people are doing their shave of the day photos, you don't really see this one too often. And it maybe a lot of people do use it, but I'm not on there every single day, and there's so many posts, like it's almost impossible to keep up with all of them. So maybe there is more action with it than what I know. But I'm gonna get cleaned up with some cold water, and I will be right back. Well, I definitely knocked down the stubble. It's not completely gone, but I don't think any shape will, and I'm not chasing a baby butt smooth. Oh yeah, look at that. Here we go. I feel like I have hair there. You know, this scent may not be for everyone, but I really feel like a lot of people would enjoy this. And if you're one of the guys that like these kind of scents, I would definitely voice your opinion. I'm gonna use some Star Jelly and let Doug and Francis know. What is that? Something, little hair. Anyway, I would definitely voice out that you would like to see it come to life, because I feel like these are kind of testing the waters to see if they want to release a soap or not. And this may be something that comes to life, and it may be something that is only available in the Advent calendar. And so if this one is one that's only in the Advent calendar, it would be a shame, because it really is a nice scent. Throughout the day, I'll kind of see how well it does on the dry down and stuff. I can't give you an opinion on it today because it's my first time using it. But I will say it definitely has that shortcake, strawberry shortcakeness to it, and it's enjoyable. So I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 2. You guys have a great rest of your day.